Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to set up Samsung Galaxy M35 for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and find accessibility. Click on it, then navigate to vision enhancements. Now we can adjust our display mode and switch between a default, high contrast or a large display. In this case we're going with a large display. I'm going to try to make everything as big as possible. Then there's a high contrast theme that we can change. If you need or want one of those options, you can change it, but it's not necessary. High contrast fonts, which adds black outline to all of the text, or changes it to the white on black and to the full black on a white theme. And this makes everything much more visible depending on the theme. Then there's highlight buttons, which speaks for itself. It highlights all of the buttons, which makes them easier to see. Color inversion, color correction, and color filtering. You can adjust it if you like. I'm gonna leave it. That's a personal thing, and you don't need to do it if you don't need it. Reduce animations. When you enable it, it will reduce motion sickness when using your phone. Reduce transparency and blur. Enable it to reduce, as it says, transparency and blur. It may also reduce motion sickness. Extra dim, which will dim your screen. As you can see on the actual black theme, it makes everything much more visible, at least for me. And next one we're gonna go is magnification. When enabled with the shortcut, we'll be able to see accessibility button in the bottom right corner of our screen. When you click on it, you will get the zoom, that you can zoom on to the text like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.